How to send multiple photos on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send multiple photos on WhatsApp. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the chat where you want to send the photos to. And now here, once you're inside the chat, just tap on the paperclip icon shown in the text box at the bottom. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on gallery, and after that on the next page, simply scroll down and select the photo that you want to send from the photo library. And now here, once you're done selecting the photo, you can just tap on the send button. And now here, once you do that, all the selected photos will be sent together in one message. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.